Sama-sama po tayo. I am not exempted. All of you, lahat po ng mga leaders, hindi po exempted. Gagawin po natin our first 90 days in Live Good.
Sabi ko nga kanina, may mapulot lang kayo, iuwi nyo, baunin nyo, i-apply nyo sa negosyo nyo. I tell you, 2 to 3 years from now, we are all millionaires.
Pag-asa na mabago ang buhay mo, kaya ka sumali kay Live Good. Tapos, nung nahirapan ka ng konti, magkukwit ka. Pag nahihirapan ka, isipin mo lagi kung bakit ka nagsimula. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, but never the goal.
Because thoughts becomes your feelings becomes your action, and your action will determine your results. Your action will define your destiny. If you want to become successful, it is very, very important that you have to stay positive at all times. Even if you are surrounded with negative people, you have to remind